Hi everyone, my name is Adarsh Kumar Singh and I have chosen the track recommendation system, and my project title is movie recommender system. So I'll start with my problem statement. Now the second point, which is the problem statement. So for me, the problem statement is that lies difficulty for an individual to effectively discover what he or she likes. Suppose I remember a movie, but the whole movie name I don't remember, but I remember the initials of that movie. So there my recommendation system works. The next is project outcome. So project outcome is like we have to give some personal suggestions, and with our personal suggestions and keywords we will get the result. So as I said, the project outcome based on the personalized suggestions. So you see a picture over here which demonstrates based on his or her personalized suggestions, she is getting the whatever movie she wanted via my recommendation system. Now I'll explain the core objectives of my project. So first of all, we have the my algorithm precision, how much precise it is. Second one is the real world data utilization, whatever data I have taken, how I am utilizing it. Now the third one is user centric interface. So I need to build an interface which is I have already built, where how the user is interacting it. And the third one is my recommendation system, which is based on the content based. Now the methodology which I have used for building my recommendation system. So the core algorithm which I have used is based on the content based filtering, where I have used the tags. The key technologies used is for programming language is Python. The data processing I have used the pandas, and for machine learning I have used sklearn, skitlearning for matrices and model building, and lastly for web interface I have used the Streamlight for developing the user friendly interfaces. So this is my implementation details from data to recommendation. I am using data pre-processing and transformation. I'm cleaning the data because a lot of extra data, null values are there. Then I'm using the collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. After that, I'm using the similarity matrices. Then I'm using the recommendation engine logic, and then I'm building its front-end interface based on the sklearn and similarity. Then for front-end interface, I'm using Streamlit for showing my front end of the project. Now I'm going to show you how my interface looks. So this is my movie recommendation system. Okay, as you can see, if I remember a movie, suppose as Batman. So if I'm writing as Batman, it will search in the database all the 5000 and it will give me all the movies related to Batman. So if you see, if it has given me Batman versus Superman, Batman Begins, whatever is there in that movie list, that particular movie it has showed me as a result. So fantastic, my recommendation system works as it is perfectly fine. Now let me show you what formula I have used here. So as you can see my screen, a few of my code I feel like to focus. So I have used a similarity matrix. Okay, over where I'm using this cosine formula, cosine distance formula. Over here I have also made an function as a recommend movie, which will give me all the movies whichever I type based on its recommendation system.